All right, so let's see what this question is asking us to do. One car leaves an intersection and traveling north at 50 miles per hour. So there's this car going up north at 50 miles per hour. And it's leaving an intersection over here. And another is driving west towards the intersection. So there's another car going towards the intersection here, and it's driving at a speed of 40 miles per hour. At one point, the northbound car is 0.3 miles, so this distance is 0.3. And the westbound car is 0.4 east, so this one is 0.4, this distance here. At this point, how far is the distance between the two cars changing? Let's call this one D, let's call this one X, this one Y, and see how are we going to relate between the three quantities over here. So the Pythagorean theorem comes to mind because apparently this is a right triangle. So we're going to say that the d squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. And since there's nothing here that's constant, all of these amounts are changing, there's nothing to substitute at this point. We are going to derive first implicitly and then start substituting. So the derivative of d squared would become 2d multiplied by d prime, and that is equal to 2x multiplied by x prime plus 2y multiplied by y prime. Let's start substituting. So 2 multiplied by d, I do not know the value of d, but I can calculate the value of d using the Pythagorean theorem, and d is supposed to be equal to the square root of the two other sides, every one of them, or each of them actually squared. This should give me the value of d as 0.5. So now I have d and I can substitute that over here, and I'll say 2 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by d prime, which is the unknown, and that's what I'm trying to figure out, equal to 2 multiplied by the x, and the value of x in this case is 0.4, multiplied by x prime. And the tricky part here is that x prime, the rate of change of x, since it's going to the left, it's actually negative, so it's negative 40. Plus 2y multiplied by y prime. So y in this case is supposed to be 0.3, that's the distance. And the rate of change of y, since it's going up, it will remain positive as it is as 50. 2 multiplied by 0.5 is just 1, so I'll have d prime left, and it's equal to, once you multiply all of these by each other and add them on your calculator, and you'll get the answer as negative 2. So basically, this is 2 miles per hour, and that's the rate of change of the distance between the two cars, 2 miles per hour. That's it.